Let's see how to have the Wyze cameras work with the Fire TV. As you can see, I have a lot of Wyze cameras and at least 3 of them working with the app at the same time. So I'm basically using this app here. That's the Tiny Can Monitor Pro. So I don't need to install any firmware in the cameras, right? The way the cameras come from Amazon or from Wyze, they work, right? I just need to use this software here. Or I can show one camera at a time if I use the regular FireStick TV with Alexa. Let's say I want to show one camera, I can just ask Alexa, show dog cam. And then Alexa is going to load the camera here. It takes some time, as you can see, and loads one camera at a time, right? But you can also use the app and show more than one camera, right? So let me just come back here to the main screen and come back to the app. So let me just show here first that I have the cameras working on my cell phone, right? The first thing that I have to do is make sure that I have the camera working here on the Wyze app. So as you can see, I have a lot of camera working at the same time. All of them are here, right? I have camera like Wyze V2, V3, Wyze Pan V2, Wyze Pan V3, Wyze OG, and Wyze V4. So all of them work at the same time. Doesn't matter if they are old camera or new cameras, they work at the same time. As long as I have everything here on my app, I'm good to go. Okay, to work with Alexa, it's pretty simple. I just need to use the Alexa app. So there you go. And as long as you have the camera work with the app, you need to come here and install a skill. So you come to skill and games, and here you're gonna look for Wyze. So just type here Wyze. You see Wyze skill. And there we go. That's the one. Okay. Just open it up. And here, as you can see, I can launch. And then the Wyze app is going to find all my cameras here. My Wyze cameras, right? If you don't have it like that one installed yet, you just need to install, and then you need to link. You see mine is linked here. You need to link your account. So the first time you install the skill, it's going to ask you to link your Wyze account. You just enter the username and password and you're good to go. It's just simple like this, right? Just go to the step to link the account and it will find the apps. Then you can use your remote control to call the camera just like I did, right? The second way, let me just show with the app. So basically here, I need to come and install the apps. So here I have a lot of different apps with the Fire TV, and I just need to look for the one that I want, right? In this case here, I have this Tiny Can Monitor Pro. If you don't have it, you just need to come to the app store and install it. This is a paid version, but it's not that expensive. It's pretty cheap, right? And here you see that I have 3 cameras. So if I need to add a new camera, I just need to come here to manage cameras. And you see that I have 3 of them, and I'm gonna add a new one, okay? So I just need to come here and add a new camera. You see that I have options to add different cameras with different names and whatever I want here. And let me just put here a name for the camera. Let's just come back here to make sure that I have different cameras. Camera number 4. Okay, so I have pet cam, babe cam, fox cam. I think I can, the number 4, I was adding it, right? Let me just add it again because I was adding the camera. So I need to give the camera a name. Let's say this one, for example, I want to clear here and put a name for the camera. Let's say I want to call this camera dog cam. I just need to insert the name here. Let me just put dog cam. There we go. Next. Okay. And now here I have the brand is Wyze Labs, Wyze Cam, and just need to link the account. The same way I do when I'm using the Alexa, for example, that you need to link the account, you need to do the same here. The first time that you come here is unlinked, then you click, and it's going to pop up a screen that you can put your username and password for your Wyze account. Okay, and then when you use the Wyze account, your link, you're gonna receive a code that you also need to insert here. Okay, so make sure you link the account and receive the code. You need to check your email and add the the code here for the first time. After that is linked, and now I can just add any camera as I'm doing here. And when I come here, it's gonna show all of the camera that I have on my Wyze account. You see that I have a lot of them. I was adding the dog cam here. So let me just start this one, and then it brings the UID and you're good to go. Okay, now I have 4 cameras, a pet cam, baby cam, fox cam, and the dog cam working. I come back here and it's going to show up here. It takes some time to load, but it's going to load. The first time takes a while and then loads, and there we have it, right? I have the dog cam already working. So I can have all of my camera working here at the same time. And this app is very easy to add a new camera. As long as you have your account linked with the Wyze, well, the Wyze is going to work pretty fine, right? So that's the way you can add your Wyze Cam on FireStick TV using the remote control and Alexa, and later you can call one camera at a time, or you can use this tiny Pro Cam and have all the camera working at the same time. Okay, I hope this helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.